Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Karcher steam cleaner not working in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this. Most of the problems happen because of water, heating or blockage issues. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that the machine is properly plugged in and switched on. Then wait for a few minutes for it to heat up. Steam cleaners need time before producing steam. If no light or heat, you can just simply check the power outlet. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply check for the water tank. So you need to open the tank and make sure that it has enough water. The cap is tightly closed. No water means no steam. Now you can also do a reset. For that, you just have to first of all turn off the cleaner and then you need to unplug it. After that, you just have to simply press the steam trigger button in order to release any of the buildup pressure. Wait for a minute and then restart the machine. Now, if steam is weak or blocked, you can remove the nozzle and clean any of the dirt or debris or any of the buildups. Clogged nozzles can also stop steam flow completely. Now, hard water can also cause the mineral buildup inside. So you can use any desk clean solution and clean the system as recommended. This is one of the most common causes of the failure. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.